You know, we had reached an agreement with the ANC now, even before coalition, to expropriate land without compensation. Put that motion in Parliament as the EFF. The motion got passed. We went all over South Africa. Majority of South Africans who made submissions, who came to public participation, said, expropriate this land without compensation. The ANC, on the eve of amending that constitution, developed a cold feet. Because it was coming from a conference that said, expropriate the land, nationalize the Reserve Bank, create the state-owned bank. So those are the EFF conditions of expropriation of land without compensation, of industrialization and beneficiation, of fighting corruption and making education free. There's a new condition that we have put there. Every learner in South Africa is going to do mathematics and not miss literacy. Why? Give our children everything else the Boer said we must not get. So Verwoerd said, why do you give an African child mathematics? Because they won't use it anyway. He was right, because mathematics meant high jobs, and high jobs were reserved for whites. So you're going to learn mathematics, then what? So we ought to teach our children mathematics so that they've got the capacity to think. Mathematics helps them to expand their brain. And we don't care whether they pass it or not. Of course, we care that they pass it, but even if you don't pass, at least you did mathematics. There's no dumb cop that has done mathematics. Mathematics are for thinkers. And that's why we want our children to be thinkers. That was denied by Verwoerd. ANC, instead of giving us RDP houses in 1994 and giving us food parcels and giving us all free this, they should have given us free education. 30 years now, there will not be a family that needs an RDP house. We would have built our own houses, much more beautiful houses, because we'll be educated with good positions and able to pay for our own responsibilities. Mandela's problem, which he should have realized at the time, what was at the center of the oppression of our people? It was education. Apartheid was education. They said on education, separate them. What is the difference between us and Zimbabweans? Ian Smith in Zimbabwe, when he arrived, he wanted to do the same thing, but he realized he doesn't have sufficient whites to can carry that economy alone. And because he had no option, he now allowed all people of Zimbabwe, including Africans, to get same education. That's why you've got Zimbabweans being at that level, because they've never received an inferior education in their country. We're destroyed by inferior education.